What's going on, people? It's your brother Wasil Bay. This live stream. You know what I mean? How y'all doing? How are y'all doing today on this Sunday fun day? Huh? What's up? What's the dealio? Let some people come in. Let a few people come in today. You know what I mean? Seven watching. What's up, Seven? Shit. We're gonna have us some fun, man. What's going on, Darren Townsend? Brother Townsend in the house. Yeah, hold up a second. Let me go and kick it off. Yeah, we like to reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech. We exercise them, Declaration of Independence, you know what I mean? The articles, the Federation articles, what's up? What's up? What's going on? You know what I mean? Hope y'all been enjoying your last videos and shit. Yeah, you see the title, what we gonna talk about. Dismissals, baby. Dismissals for child support orders and contempt. What it do, brother? Cyrus Black? What's going on? You know what I mean? What's going on? Yeah, we about to get down, man. We about to get down. You know I'm gonna get on these old dirty, sickening hoes. Child support is a broke bitch's hustle. You know what I mean? Broke bitch hustle, man. Shit. It's a broke bitch's hustle. Straight off the muscle. You know what I mean? We're gonna talk about child support dismissals, you know. Y'all know what a dismissal is, right? And you got dismissals, right? Some with or without prejudice. Okay? With or without prejudice. And the ones you want is the ones with prejudice, not without prejudice. You know what I mean? Because if you get the ones without prejudice, that means that dirty bitch don't lose her rights to come back after you. Okay? What it do? What it do? Okay, I hear you. I hear you. You know, she obeyed. I did too. Just dismissal. They gave me approximately 25 seconds for both dismissal case. Okay. What's the good word? What's up, Smokey? Shit. But yeah, we talking about dismissals. All right, with or without prejudice. Y'all want to get you a without prejudice. Y'all want to make her look bad. You know what I mean? But with prejudice, that's what you need. Without prejudice, you don't need that. They're going to come fuck with you. You know what I mean? They're going to come fuck with you. And then, too, we're going to talk about the contempt orders. Let me go and read what contempt of court means. Contempt. An action that interferes with the administration of justice by the various courts of law. There are several types. Direct foul language. Direct contempt is which occurs in open court. Right? So if they're going to hold you contempt, the word contempt means to scorn you for not paying her some money. Because the word respondent is an equity court. Okay? That's what it is. Equity. Y'all all going to child support. If y'all ain't beat them, y'all going for some money. The bitch wants some money. That's all it is. You know what I mean? The bitch just needs some money, fellas. Real talk. I'm waiting for the brother to come in. He got some good shit to share with y'all too, you know. And the main difference too with the contempt hearings, they want to show cause why you can't give her no money. Right? I know y'all heard it 1,000 times. I know y'all heard this shit 1,000 times. You know what I mean? And then too, the show cause is the subject matter. They bring you in there to talk about that money. That's it. It's about money, peeps. It ain't about nothing else. Don't let nobody tell y'all it's about the child. It's about you giving her some tax-free money. Child support is tax-free money, fellas. That's why they do their income withholding over the computer, because it ain't no paper trail. Hey now, ain't no paper trail. Ain't no, hey, they give you a receipt. It's called that paperwork. That's the receipt. Okay? That's the receipt. They get that paperwork. You know what I mean? What happens, put it like this, fellas, what happens when you don't like the product, the service that you're not getting? Right? You give the receipt back. You know what I mean? You get that shit back. Real talk, man. The contempt, man. So they bring you in there, hold you in contempt. You can't give her no money. They got direct contempt. Let me read the rest of it. Foul language spoken to a judge. That's direct contempt. If you go in there cussing, you get mad instead of holding your composure. You know what I mean? That's contempt. For example, in the 19th century, a drunken lawyer in Tombstone, Arizona, Alan English, upon being fired, fined $25 for contempt of court, said to the judge, Your Honor, $25 wouldn't pay half the contempt I have for this court. What's up? What's up, man? But let me get on these hoes, though. You know the bitch don't love you if she went down there and gave up your shit, right? Peace, bro. You know the bitch don't love you if she gave up your shit, right? It ain't about the children. You know what I mean? What you say? How can she get me for child support if I stay in another state and I get paid cash? She can get you because they got new ways of jurisdiction. I'm trying to wait for the brother to get on, but I'm probably going to say it. I'm going to tell y'all. Hold on. I'm trying to get this brother on. Anyway, I'm going to tell you. The way they get you on now, long arm jurisdiction, Pedro, long arm jurisdiction, they can either put the shit in the paper. If she put your name down on the birth certificate, if she give up your birthday, your name, she find out your social security, they got jurisdiction because they all sister states. Okay? They now got a new game going on now. They can notice you in the paper. They can put you in the paper, and that's how they notice you and they have jurisdiction. Right? And then for them to have control jurisdiction when you show up. But it's always good to show up and fight the battle, because he who leaves the battlefield first, what? Loses. You know what I mean? What did he say? Trill shit, you speaking truth. They told me I couldn't see my kids unless I had a parenting certificate. Hell no. You can sue them for interfering with you, dude. For interference. They got Supreme Court cases right now. You can look it up. We'll talk about that this week. They got Supreme Court cases. Well, you can sue them from interfering with you. You know what I mean? Real talk. No bullshit. And what I was gonna tell y'all, she just loved that you're going for the bull. Yeah, a woman love that you're going through this bullshit. She love that you going through this bullshit, bro. Real talk. She don't care about you, dog. They don't care about you. Them courts don't care about you. The reason why the courts is put up there because they get tired of her. They tired of her and they want her to throw you off on her, and then they make you pay. So she hired the hitman. She hired a hitman. The hitman is the agency. The hitman is the fucking agency. You know what I mean? Real talk. Real fucking talk, man. And when she do that, fella, she's your enemy. You get to go to jail. Your license gets suspended. You know what I mean? That's bullshit. Her license don't get suspended, right? But yours do. Peace to everybody that's in here who listening, you know what I mean? Because we about to drop some shit. I'm about to drop some more shit. Okay, let me go to dismissal. Dismissal is a much older word, dismission. Did y'all know that? I'm going to read it again. Dismissal is the same word as dismission. The much older word dismission in 1547 has given way almost completely to the upstart dismissal in 1806. You got to learn these words, fellas. They get dismissal from dismission. Considered a mere variant less than a century ago, today dismission is except in some highly specialized context an obsolete and needless variant. Yes, go look up the word dismission. Yeah, man, pay attention to these words, man. The origin of these words, like jurisdiction. Jurisdiction, like the benediction at the end of a funeral with the preacher speaking. It's the same thing. They want to know who know most of the law. So you can knock their ass off of jurisdiction every time you go in there. You know what I mean? You was just in court Wednesday. Already. I see you back. You know what I mean? That's good to get to see you back on this motherfucker. Everybody, fellas, you know what I mean? I'm coming from these real ancient ass books I got on how these words started and shit, you know. Just like the word deceit, the act of giving a false impression. Okay? A tort arising from false statement of fact made knowingly or recklessly with the intent that another person should act on, with the result that the person who acts. Now I'm gonna hit y'all with something. You ready for this? It's not illegal to lie. You cannot sue a bitch under perjury. You know that, right? Pro se litigants cannot sue anybody under perjury. You'll have to go get a lawyer, but you do have other remedies. You can't get her. She can get on the stand and lie all day on y'all ass. You know what I mean? She can lie all day long on a person. Like they got this shit called the believe thing. We believe. They want you to believe a lie when they ain't got no proofs and no facts and no evidence. You know what I mean? Real talk. It ain't, y'all can lie. Y'all can get on the oath and lie. But if they prosecute your ass, that's a wrap. That's like 5 years in prison. Right? So if you do get a lawyer, You know what I mean? That's on you. If you do get a lawyer, that's on you. Make sure that motherfucker got malpractice insurance. You know what I mean? And make sure he do everything you tell him to do. He don't get paid. You know what I mean? Because if I ever have to have a lawyer, we gonna talk and I'm gonna whoop some ass if he don't do what the fuck I tell him to do. I'm knocking the nigga teeth out. But by the grace of God, I don't need a lawyer because I can read a fucking book. You know what I mean? Lawyers ain't nothing but motherfuckers who study the law. That's it. Know what I'm talking about? What you say? We doing a replay. We got her. She didn't send certified mail change the address, so we did a replay. And my lawyer's a beast. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. You know what I mean? Like we tell y'all, man, you ain't gotta get our services, man. You can pick up a book or, you know, but learn the difference between dismissals, contempt, show cause. You gotta learn that shit, man, because you going in there. The more you know when you go in there, the more powerful you are. They games ain't gonna work. But be mindful of this. They are trained to have push their will over you. You know what I mean? They trained to push their will, their beliefs, their belief system. Your belief system got to be stronger than hers. You know what I mean? Your belief system has to be stronger than hers. Because fellas, look, I'm not on child support. I don't pay child support. I beat both of my baby mamas. You know what I mean? Well, I beat the first one. Didn't have to do that with the second one. You know what I mean? The second one, that was easy. That was a piece of cake. And what's so crazy, she was with me when I beat the first one. You know what I mean? So when are they mad because I'm not with them? You know? And fellas, I'm going to tell you something. Don't be arguing with these females. Let them have the last word, man, because you are the prize. Don't go to court and argue. Just present your facts, and that's a wrap. You know what I'm talking about? Real talk. You know? And then, too, let me talk about the, what else we need to talk about? Let's talk about the long-arm jurisdiction, what this brother was talking about, how they suing him. That's easy. You're not a resident there, right? That shit really don't apply to you. You don't live there. How are you going to watch your children? It's kind of it's a hypocrite, being a hypocrite on their behalf because you don't get to see your children. So they expect you to pay while you're in a whole nother state and then she's in another state and you don't know where that money is going. Right? You don't know where the fuck that money is going. So that long-gone jurisdiction, them cases is easy to beat, man. They easy to beat. What's good? What's good, Panty Eater? Like I said, man, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Get you a state and federal, administrative state and federal book. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all that one. What's up? Get y'all that, man. Because I don't care, man. Like I say, these bitches don't care about these children. They want you to take care of her and her new boyfriend. At the end of the day, that's what child support is for. They want you to take care of her and her new fucking boyfriend.